Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alyssa here, and today I've got my essential rewards order and I cashed in some reward points. So we're going to open up both of these bad boys here and we're going to see what we got. Let's see what we got in this one, all right? Every month, my family gets to customize our wellness order. So this month, this is what we got. And I'm not going to really go through any particular order. Let's just see what's in the box because there's a lot of goodies in here. Let's jump right in. Let's see what we got here. All right. This is probably one of my favorite oils, and Young Living's only had it not even a year yet because it was launched last year at convention. So they haven't even had this one a year yet, but it is called Ningxia. And this particular oil comes to us all the way from Australia. Okay, it's kind of a soft woodsy smell. So think of it kind of like tea tree. It's good for the skin. Put it on, great in your skincare routine. I like to add it to my boys' Kids Scents body wash because they're boys, and tea tree, if you know anything about it, it's kind of a cleansing oil along the same constituents as tea tree. It's just a lighter oil. So next in here, and I found a cool hack for this that I kind of want to try and see, but this is our dishwasher powder. I clean my bathtub with it. I clean my toilet with it. Yes, I put it in my dishwasher too. I clean my kitchen sink. Whenever we burn food on our glass stovetop when we're cooking, I sprinkle a little bit of this on there, spray it down with my Thieves household cleaner, let it sit for a second, and then I come over and everything literally wipes right off. So, multi-purpose, but the hack that I saw for this is actually turning this into a liquid dishwashing detergent. So, I might have to give that a try and see how it works because where I live, we have hard water. I'm going to give that a try, see how it goes. Every month also, I love getting this. It's words straight from Mary Young. This is our little monthly newsletter, and right here on the front cover of this one, it's talking about how Young Living is now non-GMO verified. Honestly, I'm not too familiar with it. I know it's a great organization. I know it has a lot of benefits. I'm just not too familiar with it. This one is actually our old bottle. I had to break into this box before I was able to do the video, but cinnamon bark. This is cinnamon bark vitality. Comes in a non-vitality version as well. The white label is how you know because it's labeled for internal consumption only. So this one here, the cinnamon bark vitality, we like to put in our coffee. It was suggested to us 1 drop. But we like cinnamon, so we do 2 to 3. Just kind of depends on our day and depends on our mood. But cinnamon bark, try it in your coffee. Next, we've got Thieves. And Thieves, this was actually one of the free promos this month. So every month, you get to pick and choose what you get in your box. And Young Living thanks you basically for putting in your monthly order with free products. And Ningxia, which I talked about first, was actually a free promo as well. Is another one of those things that my family always uses. My boys get this in their diffuser every single night. And when they start to feel kind of a little under the weather, I put it on their spine and bottoms of their feet as well to help give them that boost. Next, we've got Orange Vitality, and this is another one of the free promos this month. You get it with a $100 PV order, and this, add a drop to your toothpaste, and you're going to have those pearly white teeth, okay? And in my next box that I've got here, I can actually show you the toothpaste that we use because I got it this month. So, add this to your toothpaste, natural whitener, and it also is great for the immune system. This gives you a quick boost of vitamin C just in 1 drop. All right, next, Thieves dish soap. And this, I've got another hack as well. I actually have a video that I did on this that shows you how this bottle here actually equals 3 bottles. So you get 3 bottles out of this 1 bottle here. And 1 bottle lasts us about 3 months. And that, again, another free promo this month, Thieves. Okay. Next, we've got the Thieves Household Cleaner. So remember, I talked about this and how I use it to clean my bathtub, my toilet, my sinks, my stovetop, all of that. Well, this bottle here, another one of the promos that we get free this month, this bottle here will last you about a year. Only lasts us about 6 months because I use it as a laundry booster. I use it in my toilet. Sometimes if I run out of laundry soap and I'm in a pinch, I can use a cap full of this in my laundry. We use this for so many different things. We mop our floors because we have all hardwood floors. We have no carpet in our house. So one bottle of this only lasts us about 6 months because of all the different uses that we have for it. Next, we've got multigreens. And I've talked about this one quite a bit. It's one of my favorites. I take it every single day. I don't ever miss it because, let's be honest, our diets are not what they should be and not what they used to be. So I make sure I get my greens by adding this too. Next, another one I've talked about quite often, actually every month I think, because I get it every single month, Super Cal Plus, okay? This is a bioavailable form of calcium that your body can use, digest, and actually put to good use in your body. So, fun fact, most vitamins are only actually 30% absorbed by your body, okay? All of Young Living's are 80%. Not quite 100%, but 50% increase over any other vitamins that you get, okay? This has calcium, magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin 3, and it's infused with so many different essential oils as well, all right? Super Cal Plus, take 2 of these every single day to help get your vitamin D that you need. All right, next, I've got Allerzyme. So again, I've mentioned it a few times before. We don't get what we need out of our diets, and a lot of our foods are actually lacking in the enzymes that we need to help our bodies digest them. I take Allerzyme. Allerzyme helps my body process the things that I eat, especially dairy. I have a hard time with that one. So if I know I'm going to be having any kind of dairy, I especially make sure I take this. But even if it's like a heavy, hit the bottom of the gut kind of food, you know, the breads, the grains, the pasta, those kinds of things, I'll take one of these too, because it's going to help my body digest all of that, because a lot of our food is lacking in enzymes. So Allerzyme is just one of 4 different enzyme options that Young Living has. And it's the one that I like, and I take it. Next, we have the fruit and veggie soak. And I'm actually going to do kind of a before and after of this. I've got some apples in the fridge. And this is a new to me product. I haven't tried it yet before. I know about me. I should be using it. But I haven't been. Well, this month, it was a free promo. So I am going to do a little video and show you kind of a time lapse before and after of how this works to clean your fruits and veggies, okay? And it actually extends their shelf life when you use this because it cleans off a lot of that yuck, all right? So this, another free promo this month. All right. This is one of the last promos this month, and it's Thieves hand soap. And this little bottle here, I actually, again, dilute. So last part of the promos this month, you get these gorgeous microfiber terry cloths. And I actually want to see what these are like because I normally can't stand the feel of microfiber, okay? Normally it bugs me and I can't stand to touch it, but oh my goodness. Okay, this is soft and I want to get one of these out and show you. It's even got this cool little thing here so you can put your hand in there and scrub away on everything you need to do. And guys, for this being a microfiber towel, this is soft, like really soft. I could even wash my car with this and it's not going to scratch my car. But I love that it's got this cool little pocket here. Put your hand in there and it makes cleaning those hard to reach places that much easier. And it comes in a 2-pack. So you get 2 of these gorgeous microfiber cloths for free, okay? Just by getting things your family's already using, all right? So next, I'm not going to get both of them out because they're heavy. But I've talked about these before. I've pulled them out of the box and showed you what they are. But our Ningxia Red, okay? So this box here lasts my kids and my dog an entire month. Each of my kiddos and my dog, they each get a half an ounce every single day, and I add elderberry syrup because of the time of year that it is to give them that extra little boost. And I have been wanting to try this since convention last year, but it keeps selling out. Well, this month I was finally able to grab some, and I don't know if I'm going to share, but we've got some einkorn flake cereal. So, yeah. Einkorn is an ancient grain. I believe it's only 12 strands of DNA in it versus the 20-something that our typical grain has nowadays. All right, I got 2 boxes of Ningxia. I got 2 boxes of the cereal. I'm not going to pull them all out. Like I said, you don't need to see all that. But this month in our order, we got Ningxia Red. We got our dishwasher powder. We got our dish soap. We got our Thieves household cleaner. We got our fruit and veggie soak. We got our hand soap. And some supplements, things that we take all the time anyway. And we got some oils. Okay, we got some Ningxia, some cinnamon bar, some Thieves, and some orange vitality. Okay, this was just my wellness box. Everything that we got here today. You know, I talked about the free promos that Young Living does. Every month they change. Every month they're different. They're not the same, but they're always amazing. This is just our monthly order. We get to customize it. We get to pick what we get, and it's different every month. Our needs change. Some things, like the Super Cow Plus, I don't ever take off of our order. But there's other things where I'll take off multigreens next month and I'll get something else. But the idea is you get to pick and choose. You get to take that control of your family's health. You're the gatekeeper of your house, and you get to pick what comes in. So now this is the Essential Rewards bundle, okay? So for the first year, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and a year, you get gifts from Young Living. You get a different oil. At a year, you get the loyalty blend for being a loyal Essential Rewards subscriber, thanking you for doing the best you can for you and your family, okay? And I know that looks different for everybody, so don't think that I'm, talking down to anybody, because I'm not by any means. We all do the best that we can with the information that we have. You know better, you do better, okay? So this is our Essential Rewards order. So you get the gifts at 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. For the first 3 months, you get 10% back in reward points. After 3 months, up to 2 years, you get 20% back in reward points. And after 2 years, you get 25% back. So right now, I think it's until August. I think August is when my 2 years officially is on Essential Rewards. This month, I cashed in quite a bit of our points because I didn't get it done last month like I wanted. I got me some more shampoo. All right. And some toothpaste for my boys. And I got some toothpaste for me. So remember, I said to take your Orange Vitality and your toothpaste, and I like the Aroma Bright toothpaste. There's the Dentramite, and there's one other one I can't think of right now off the top of my head. Dentramite Plus, I think it is. And then the Kidson. So there's 4 different toothpastes. There's one for the kids, 3 different ones for the adults. All are fluoride free, okay? The adults all have the Thieves Essential Oil Blend in them because clove is amazing for your gums, all right? Then we've got Orange Vitality. So you take about a pea size of this, 1 drop of this, naturally white with no harsh chemicals or abrasives. We got some oils. And I've actually kind of already dipped into this because kids, we needed them. So RC goes on my boy's diffuser every single night. Next, I've got the Kid Scent Sleepy Eyes, and I actually got 2 RC and 3 of those because, let's be honest, my boys are a lot happier when we don't go without the Sleepy Eyes. So I stocked us up on it. Okay, so here's more RC, more of the Sleepy Eyes. Again, like I said, I've already snagged one from here, And to start putting in my youngest diffuser is Peace and Calming. And yeah, it does just that. It tames the beast. If you have questions about any of these products, drop me a question down below. I am more than happy and always willing to answer questions. So let me know. If you would like to start incorporating some of these products into your home as well, I've got a link down below. Click that link, www.myyl.com/alluringoils. Grab that kit. You're going to get a diffuser. You're going to get 12 amazing oils. This one is one of them. Follow that link. Grab the Desert Mist. It comes with 12 amazing oils. You get to try the Ningxia Red in there as well. And you also get to try the Thieves Spray and the Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. Okay, so grab that. If there's anything else you want to add, I suggest the Ningxia Red. Okay, and then one of the other things that you're going to want to get, which you actually get it for free this month, you get the dish soap for free. So grab the Thieves Laundry soap as well. Clean clothes. I don't think I have a video on that, but I can help you take that bottle and multiply it into 2, and you actually get 200 plus loads of laundry out of that one bottle. Okay, so grab your Ningxia Red for the family, grab your Thieves Laundry soap, get your order up to 300 PV, which with the Ningxia and the laundry soap, you're going to be pretty close. And then you get all of these freebies as well. So you're going to have your veggie soak, you're going to have your household cleaner, you're going to have your dish soap, you're going to have a hand soap. You're going to have all of those things to help get your family to the healthiest versions of themselves that they can. Okay, so start by following that link. Grab the Desert Mist, grab those 12 oils that come with it, click yes, I want to join Essential Rewards, add your Ningxia Red and your laundry soap. If you're still a little bit away from the 300 PV, message me. I'll help you get there so that you can get all of these goodies too. Okay, I want you to be your best year yet, and it's going to be. All right, thanks so much everybody for tuning in. This has been Oils with Alyssa, our monthly box. I hope you enjoyed it, found some new goodies to try as well. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.